Hi, it's Jason from Dennis Carpenters, and today we're going to take a look at a new product for the 68 to 72 trucks and the 66 to 77 Broncos. If the door handles on your classic Ford don't operate like they should, chances are these link assemblies are worn or damaged. Dennis Carpenter has reproduced this door latch link assembly for the 68 to 72 trucks and the 66 to 77 Broncos. Made exactly like the originals, they include the cupped washer and mounting screw and are zinc plated for rust and corrosion protection. Sold separately in left or right hand sides, this part connects the inside door handle to the door latch rod. A new latch link assembly will return your door handles to that factory fresh smoothness. You can find this and many other quality restoration parts for your Ford at dennis-carpenter.com. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date on our latest releases. You can also follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter.